Hi friends, this is Rakesh and today we are going to learn how to emboss or deboss a text or any closed profile onto a plain surface using the wrap command present in Solidworks. So we'll be going into the new part which I have just created, and then I have selected this face to enter the text over it, which I will be debossing it on the surface highlighted here. So for that purpose I will click on the text and I will type in the text. Hi, this is Rakesh, and I will reverse it and I will click on a point where I want to place the text or on that surface or the plane, and I'll be adjusting the dimensions of the width and height of the text which I want. So 9.95 to 100, and I will also increase the height of my lettering font to 20. And if you see, this is out of the plane, so I'll just click here to adjust and place it over on the surface. Okay, then I will click OK, and then I will be exiting the sketch. And for this sketch will be used to deboss this lettering onto this slab or the flat rectangular surface. And now I will be creating another sketch on the same surface which I will be using it to emboss over this flat rectangular face. For that purpose I will be creating a center point arc somewhere in the middle of the plane, and I'll create it and just click OK and just manually edit it by just dragging it, because I don't want that much curvature. And uh, uh, so I'm just pressing the same point and dragging it so that it will be noted. Uh, then I will be adding a text over that and say hi. This is okay, and I will be selecting this arc which I have to place, and I will be flipping it horizontally, and I will be using the fonts. Likewise, when I have used it that and so I'm satisfied, so I'll click OK and just exit the sketch. So I'll go to the wrap command, and it says you have to select a plane surface to sketch on it, or select a pre-existing sketch. For that I will be using a pre-existing sketch. I will be going into the tree feature manager tree and clicking on the sketch tool, and I will be clicking on debossing. Debossing is nothing but giving the cutting the material, and here it says select the face to wrap the uh, sketch, and I will be selecting this flat rectangular surface. I will be giving the depth in, and it says the full direction. If you want to change the full direction, you can click on it and click on this arrow here, and you can just give the full direction. And it says the source sketch is sketch 2. Okay, now it's deboss. Okay, click OK. Now I will be using this to emboss over on this rectangular face. So for that purpose I will click wrap again, and I will be selecting the sketch number 3 and say emboss and give the depth, and select the flat surface and click OK. So it says the wrap command could not create because the sketchy may be intersecting or it has open counters. For that problem, just go on and edit the sketch 2 and select the arc and make it as a construction geometry, because the embossing or for embossing or debossing it cannot emboss or deboss open profiles. For that purpose the error was created. Now select on wrap and just select on the sketch number 3 and there's the face, and click on the sketch and click on OK. So okay, sorry, this was Deboss. So I click edit feature, click emboss. Okay, so this is how we use the wrap command to emboss or deboss on a planar surface. This can be also used to emboss or deboss on a circular surfaces also. Thank you, friends.